whether na girlfriend though or na wife, tell me why you go to date mad woman onyala were in the name of relationship. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this particular episode of Palava, I'm not me for one girl, one lady. Let me even say it like that, because Sonia opposite is not a young person again. Where they you know, tell me why this young lady, this akawoli of a woman need destroy property in the name of you and aware. Anyway, I don't need to say much. Take a look at this clip of this video. You've seen the video, right? So this particular relationship or this particular scene, right, you can't tell me that overnight this lady started destroying a television on the wall. It started small, and these are the signs people ignore when it comes to relationship. There are red flags. These red flags didn't start like from 0 to 100. It started from 0, 0, 0, 1. You know, it started small, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because how can somebody, whether you are a girlfriend or whether you are a wife, this shows that, first of all, you are full of rage, you are full of anger, you have issues with yourself. I remember meeting somebody and the person is telling me that whenever they have issues, right? Though this is the part of the sometimes people say the part that favors them and leave the other part, but this part is this part that we are seeing right now is enough to tell you the problem. Because you can't tell me that you've not heard from this other side. However angry you are as a human being, however angry you are as a person, you have to contain yourself and control yourself. You can't just start destroying things. We are not Oyibo people where they get angry, they start pushing things, destroy television, smash the windscreen of a car. Like this person that is smashing all these things and destroying all these things, this person might not have up to amount to replace those things that she's destroying. Because how can, if you know the words, if now you buy this thing, if that this person where they destroy television, a flat screen, LED television, smart television, if not she, do you know what is the old quarrel? Say the guy took a call from another girl, right? And you decided to start smashing television. First of all, lady, madam, he's not married to you, even though he's married to you, right? Though that's by the way. But you now turn into a full-blown, it turned into a full-blown war. Because this is war going on, world war inside their house. You be smashing television, stabbing this thing. It screams you don't have any trust. You are not matured. You need to learn a lot of lesson. This lady needs a lot of lesson. And these are things people overlook when it comes to relationship. I love the person, I love the guy, I love the girl. You start destroying things. You love somebody, you now start acting up because this is so childish, this is so immature, this is screaming I'm not doing it again. So if you have somebody that is like this, you know what is good for you? Because teach your slippers and run away from this person as soon as you can. Because soon where you go know this thing where they use stab, you go end up in your bum in your head on our they go chook you. I go clear. That love you go clear. Because when this guy go they buy these things, when he go they replace these things, in I go clear. You go no say I cannot put myself up to this rubbish. Your mates they relationships where they enjoy. Your mates they relationships where they love. Others they go on vacation. Your own mumu relationship. They throw away things, they destroy things. On how you answer call, the person go they misbehave, they misyan in your house. You go do I love you. Now you sabi. Anyway, I'm your girl Bella. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section. Peace out.